morning or good afternoon. Today we have a sale, $99. All credit repair packages, $99. Big savings. Um, Sometimes people have to score. Sometimes people have to get a good deal. Sometimes people have to get that extra, something extra in life. And that's today's the day. Big savings. Call me, text me, $99 today. Now, you got to think to yourself, right? You're going to need these extra things. You're going to pay some debt down. You're going to need a secure card. You're going to need, you know, you you're going to need extra money for during the month or whatever. And guess what? This is a great opportunity because you get your credit repaired and you got a whole bunch of extra money left over. So, call me 610-470-8992. Um, Not just that, we also educate you so you can keep on getting so your score can keep on increasing. I look a little different today. I don't have my gold chain on today, but uh, not feeling too good today. My ass was messing with me, everything. So the weather's changing. I guess that's part of life. So, like I said, reach out to me. Today is a great sale. Great sale. All packages, $99. Go to our website, which is www.kirby'screditkingdom.yolasite.com. Thank you and have a great day.